how to make your very own intro for your channel. There are many. So first, open up your favorite web browser and search Panzoid and go to panzoid.com, and you will be here. So you can see all these great intros. You can select anything you want here, or if you don't like anything here, you can click on more creations, and you can see there is the outros, the intros. There are so many intros and outros. So there's also subscribe animations. So by the look of it, I think I like this. I'm gonna open, and it's loading. So this redirects you to tools/clipmaker and then the product ID. So you can see what you are going to do it. So you can press on this little eye icon and it will show you what you are seeing. So you can click on this play button. So if you want to edit anything here, you can get out of that eye and you can edit everything which is on here. So go to this objects tab. As you can see, objects, and now there is text, and you can rename that's a group, and there's this group S, there's another group called S. So here is the text, so you can put in your channel name, so simple tutorials, and if I press enter, as you can see, it has changed to simple tutorials. And you can change all these text icons, so simple tutorials. So now you can change everything, and as you can see, it has changed it fully. You can also move this. As you can see, I'm moving it, or you can just keep it at the default. You can choose any template on here if you want. You can choose any of it, so you can change everything which is on here too. So this is the effects tab. So there is initializing. You can play around with this and you'll get to know all of that. And there is this camera. So now you can change the position of the camera, rotation of the camera, shake of the camera, and shake speed also of the camera. So you can change this projection mode. And the audio file, you can select a custom audio file for your intro. You can also create your own intro. So if you go to project, you can select new project, and you can also upload your intro to Panzoid so that others can use it too. And to download your video, you're going to click on balanced and MKV and start video render. Click on block. And now it's rendering, so after rendering I'll meet you guys back. Okay, so it shows that your render has finished. Click below to download. You can download the video or you can return to editing. So I'm done with editing, and I'm going to press download a video. If you go back to editing, it will again go to the editing tab, and then you have to render it again. So I'll come back to you once it has finished downloading. Okay, so it has finished downloading. So I'm going to locate to my file which is in downloads tab. So I'm going to open it. So video. Pretty cool, right? So you can do this with any template on Panzoid. There are thousands of creations on Panzoid which you can use. You can use whatever you like. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I will see you guys after a while.